Hello friends, welcome back. Today I will discuss how to grow coriander faster. I will cover all tricks and tips which I apply to grow the coriander at home. So let's begin. A coriander grain contains two seeds in it. So to sow the seeds, first of all we have to split those seeds. To split the seeds, we have to spread the seeds on tissue paper, cover it with another tissue paper and then simply roll it with gentle pressure. There is no need to apply much pressure, otherwise it will deteriorate the quality of the seeds. Professional seeds ensure more percentage of germination, but the cost is high. While the seeds available in our kitchen are not having that much cost, but here the germination percentage is relatively less. Now here we can see that the seed has been separated into two parts and it is ready for the next step. So here comes the trick which improves quality of the seeds and ensures germination. Professional seeds are preserved in such a way so that they will not lose their tendency for germination. Here I am mixing this kitchen seeds with vermicompost so that it will improve the quality of the seeds. Then add some water into it and mix it thoroughly so that whatever nutrients are present into the compost will get transferred into the seeds. This transfer of nutrients from compost to seeds will improve the quality of the seeds and ultimately it will give you more percentage of germination though we are using seeds available in our kitchen. Take any container and transfer the mixture into it and keep it aside for around 12 to 18 hours. 18 hours has been passed and I can see that germination of seeds has been started. You can see here. The sowing media contains 50% of the coco peat because coco peat is good for root growth during the germination process. I have taken 30% of the garden soil and 20% of the vermicompost. Take mixture of seeds and try to spread them uniformly. Uniform spreading of the mixture will ensure good growth of the seedlings because each and every seedling will get good supply of the air during the initial stage of the growth. So it is necessary to have uniform spread of the seeds. After sowing the seeds, cover the seeds with the same soil media as you can see here. Cover it in such a manner so that seeds will not get opened when you water it. Then water it gently so that seeds will not get opened up. Take any pipe available at your home and insert it diagonally as you can see in the screen. During the initial stage of the growth, seedlings are very delicate and they will not be able to bear the pressure of water if we water them from the top. So use this arrangement to water the seedlings as you can see here in the screen, and it will help your seedling to stand straight during the growth period. Keep the container in direct sunlight. Water it regularly. Don't allow the soil media to get dry. And within 10 to 12 days, seedlings will appear. This is day 12. Seeds which we had started 12 days before has been germinated now. As you can see here, the seedlings of coriander are present. So this is the easiest and fastest way to grow the coriander at home. Thanks for watching. If you have liked this video and are interested in more such videos, please comment in the comment box. Press the like button, share with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.